Learn how to read a resistor with a color chart in minutes. This video will demonstrate how to read a resistor using a color chart. What is an electrical resistor? A resistor is an electrical device that resists the flow of electric current. It is one of the most basic and fundamental components in electrical engineering. Resistors are used in a variety of applications and come in a wide range of shapes, sizes, and values. The resistance of a resistor is measured in ohms and is determined by the material it is made from and the size of its body. The resistance of a resistor is fixed, meaning that it does not change with the amount of current flowing through it. When electric current passes through a resistor, some of the energy is lost as heat. This is due to the resistance of the material. The size of the resistor affects how much energy is lost, with smaller resistors having higher resistance and larger resistors having lower resistance. Resistors are used to limit the current in circuits, to reduce voltage, and to provide protection against overloading. They can also be used to create specific voltages and current levels in a circuit. Resistors are found in a variety of electrical and electronic devices, from small components in calculators to large power resistors in power plants. They are also used in computers, automotive systems, and other industrial applications. How to read a 4-band resistor using the color chart. Step 1. Look at the stripes on the resistor. There will be 4 colored stripes in a specified order if it is a 4-band resistor. Step 2. Identify the first 2 stripes by looking at the resistor color chart. The first 2 stripes will always represent the first 2 digits of the resistance value in a 4-band resistor. Step 3. The third stripe is the multiplier. It indicates how many zeros should follow the first 2 digits. In this case, 2 zeros or 100. Step 4. The fourth or last stripe is the tolerance. It is 5% tolerance in this instance. It indicates the accuracy of the resistor values. Step 5. Calculate the resistance by multiplying the first 2 digits with the third stripe multiplier. For example, if the resistor stripes are brown, green, red, and gold, then the resistance value is 15 times 100 equals 1500 ohms, with a tolerance of plus or minus 5%. A multimeter can be used to read resistors as well. Touch the resistor's leg with the probes while the multimeter is set to ohms. You can touch the resistor legs in any order because it has no polarity. If you'd like to see more videos, please subscribe and hit the bell icon.